The note lamp was gifted to me by my boyfriend and I love it. It was the cutest and most thoughtful gift. You can either plug it in or you have the option to add batteries. The note lamp makes a perfect gift for yourself or for your loved ones. It's the ideal holiday present.
My boyfriend just got me the note lamp and I am so obsessed. It makes it so much easier for me to keep track of things and write little notes to myself of things that I need to get done. It's such a fun way to give yourself a to-do list for the day or to leave your partner just a sweet note to wake up to. So don't wait any longer, go get yourself your very own note lamp today.
I love my note lamp because not only does it allow me to leave cute notes for my loved ones, but it also helps me achieve my goals and stay on track. You can write and erase with the included marker and choose from 7 different color options by just tapping the base. You have to give the note lamp a try. Get your very own today.